Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing new Bitcoin earning website. You can earn unlimited Bitcoin via Termux. You don't have need to work on this website. I will show you the all process and provide a script file as well. So don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand and script can get error. So let's move to our video. First of all, you have required website link which given description. You can directly go from there. So here you can see the interface of the website and you can check they already paid to users 0.13 Bitcoin Satoshi. You can check as well. You can check their rating on Trustplate as well. Okay, so now first of all create your account. So just click on join now, it's free. Okay, then provide here your username, email address, password, select your gender, select your country, then provide here Bitcoin wallet address where you want to get withdraw. So provide here fastest pay Bitcoin address, then solve captcha and click on register. Your account will be created. After create account, just log in your account. Okay, so here you can see my account interface. I have available 23 Bitcoin Satoshi which I earned in just 1 hour. You can earn 2 Bitcoin Satoshi in every 5 minutes. So here's the withdraw option. So just click on withdraw to get your withdraw. Okay, here you can see first you have need to complete 30 claims. Don't worry, we will run auto this website in Termux and Termux auto claim faucets. After all 30 claims, then you can get withdraw easily. So here's the many earning option. Just click on menu bar. Here you can see earn bits option. So here you can see here's the option faucet pay, short links, BTC ads. We run all in Termux. You don't have need to work on this website. So now just go to the Bitcoin faucet. Okay, scroll down. So here you can see roll in faucet. You can earn 20 bits to 200 bits every 5-minute claim. So now you have required a script file to run this website in Termux. Script file link given description. You can directly go from there. In article you will see script button. Just click on script. A script will be downloaded. After downloading a script, open your any Explorer APK. Open. Then go to the download folder where you download your script file. Okay, scroll down. Here you can see script file in zip format. First of all unzip it. So long press on script file. Then click on more and click on extract. Okay. Now script file unzip successful. Open unzip folder. Open. Then long press on folder and click on more and click on properties. Now click on copy full path. Okay. Script location copied successfully. Now go back and open Termux. So if you are a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on my Telegram channel. You can copy from there or you can DM me on Instagram. I will provide you there. If you don't know how to install basic command in Termux, video link given description. You can check out in detail. Then continue your process. CD space paste script location. Then enter ls enter php bot.php. Then just press enter. Okay, so now here we have required user agent, website cookies and URL solve media. So we will all capture from HTTP canary. So go back and open HTTP canary. So if you are a new user using canary first time, install CS certificate first. If you don't know how to install CS certificate, video link in the description. You can check out. Then add your web browser which you use. Okay. Then just click on start and open website. Must open faucet page, otherwise cookies will not capture. Okay, then just reload your website. Okay, wait for complete reload. Okay, if cookies are not capturing, so just stop your canary. Okay, then start again. Now reload again. Okay, now reload getting time, it means cookies are capturing, so just wait for complete your reload. Okay, reload is completed, so now just scroll down. So wait for appear here captcha. Okay, so just click on roll now grab checkpoint. Okay, captcha appeared. Now all cookies captured successfully. Now go back to canary and just stop canary and click on three dots, then click on filter. Now server host, so find here API secure soul media. Okay, check it, then claimfreebits.com also check it, then go back again back. Okay, so here you can see claimfreebits/page faucet, open that file, open, then just slide right. Here you can see the user agent, just long press on user agent, copy it back to the termux, paste your user agent, press enter. Okay, then go back to the canary, slide left. Here you can see the cookies, just long press on cookies, cookies copied back to the termux, paste your cookies and press enter. Okay, so now here we have got URL Soul Media, so go back to the canary, again back. So here you can see URL Soul Media API challenges, open that file, open, then long press on URL copied back to the termux, paste your URL, then just press enter. Okay, okay, so here you can see my account is connected successfully. So now just wait for bypass captcha. Okay, so here you can see bypass captcha successful and I got 20 bits which equal to 2 Bitcoin Satoshi which added in my balance. So script is working successfully. If you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.